You gotta be kidding me. I just started recording and this rings. Hello? Hello? You called my phone. You better start talking.
Hello?
Hi.
Did you call me?
No, I didn't call you. I just started recording and the phone rings. Did you, are you on the bus?
Yeah, we're coming home.
One of the buttons in your jeans dialed the phone.
What?
Your butt dialed.
No, I didn't, because it's in my hand. I didn't butt dial.
Well, I wasn't touching the phone and it rang.
Oh, that's weird.
Yes, it is.
Number wasn't even up.
Yeah. I figured it out. I had just started recording and the phone rings. Someone's trying to stop me from.
Alright.
That's someone else is trying to stop me from recording. I'm not gonna let them.
I'm gonna let you go.
All right, baby.
I'm on our way home.
Okay.
Well, we just started off larger match.
All right.
I love you.
Love you, baby.
Bye.
Bye bye. It's always that way. I just started recording. You saw that. How do you guys, other guys, do it? I mean, especially you guys that got a wife and a bunch of kids running around, 5 dogs, and and the parent that wants to eat the dining room table. How do you do it? I was looking at the footage from back in the workshop 5, the actual number 5. And my shop looks better on camera than it does in the metal and cutting fluid, flesh and bone, metal and cutting fluid. I mean, it looks better on camera than it does in real life. I mean, to you it looks like a little S-hole workshop in a wooden shed. Imagine how bad it really is. Yeah. Some of you guys out there know what I'm talking about. You look around while you're filming, and it's real life. And you get into, your den or wherever you process your video, and you're looking at that and, wow, man, that looks so much better on camera. But I wish the camera wouldn't put 10 more pounds on me. Don't go full screen. Leave it whatever size the video player leaves it at, and you look normal. Last night I was working on that little aluminum tool block. Well, actually, I'm going to call it the tool head mounting block. And I didn't think all the way through the end on my stock size. I made it about 1 inch by 3/4. When I go back out to the shop to work, it's going to be redo inch by inch. Then it will work. Yeah, I caught the javelin. I threw it up in the air. And I ran around for 3 hours trying to make sure that I caught it. Success. In the 5 sessions out in the shop that I have recorded, I've learned some things that cheap pinch knurler that I got for $20. Works. I didn't have to modify any of my shear line parts or its parts. I just clamped it into the rocker tool post without the rocker in place. Beautiful. Like it was made for my shear line. You can beat skill, but you can't beat luck. I looked at the picture of it in the catalog, or I mean online, and said, that'll work. That'll fit. If it doesn't fit, you know, without the riser block. I even thought of a horseshoe-shaped piece of 6061 coming up off the cross slide, and the pinch knurler coming down like so. I said, no. What else? Don't leave expensive digital goodies out in the shop if it isn't heated. One good snowstorm and you can wipe out thousands of dollars of expensive metrology goodies. Those liquid crystal displays, cold is no good for them. It's even worse than hot. And hot's no good for them either. But the liquid crystals, well, liquid, cold, freeze. You know what happens to food when you freeze it? The cells all get ruptured by the ice crystals. Think about it. They're just a different form of life. Yeah. Anyway, I'm going to go for now. Except for this one little thing. Seriously, manufacturers of Dicam, if you'd like to sponsor me, send me, a pot of the blue with a brush, and if you do make the applicator, felt tip applicator, I'd like to try one of them. I'll put them on everything. I'll hold it up and flash Dicam at the camera. I'll slather it on everything like Mount Diablo High School was still paying for my Dicam. I'm going to go now. Night night.